Hello, my name is Dr. Anshu Maneja Arora. I'm a consultant pulmonologist at Arrow Health Gurgaon, and today I'm here to talk about myths and facts regarding asthma management. Now, asthma is a disease that is often met with lot of misconceptions, and that affects how we treat our asthma. So I'll be busting these common myths for you and help you manage your asthma better. Myth number 1. Allergies and asthma are not common. Well, that is a huge understatement. In fact, as a pulmonologist, the majority of patients that I see in my clinic are those who have allergic diseases. Allergy affects almost 30% of Indians, and of these, almost half of them have asthma, many of which haven't been diagnosed with it yet. So allergies are very common, and asthma is a common complication with allergies. Myth number 2. Allergies do not impact asthma. Now the fact is that asthma starts as an allergic disease in most individuals. A lot of people have genetic history of allergic diseases in the family. A lot of them have food allergies, skin allergies, and many other allergies that have been attributable before asthma was diagnosed. So allergies impact asthma and they go hand in hand. If you have an allergic rhinitis and it's not controlled, chances are that asthma will occur in the future. Myth number 3. Smoking doesn't trigger asthma. Now this is often used as a good excuse by smokers, but the fact is that this is not true. Tobacco smoking is one of the commonest risk factors for asthma and asthma worsening. In fact, children who are born to mothers who have smoked in pregnancy have a higher risk of developing asthma, and those children who grew up in households with exposure to smoke do develop asthma as they grow. So, if you are a smoker and an asthmatic, then smoking could be your largest trigger for asthma, and they are highly related. So I hope these facts have led to some busting of myths around asthma and have made asthma more clear to you. It's important to have an understanding of these myths because these are often the roadblocks for a good management. If you have any more queries, suggestions or comments regarding these videos, or you would like to understand more about asthma or help me manage you, then please do connect with me through the link of my website in the description box. If you like this content, please like it and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family so that they can also benefit. Thank you very much.